Hello guys, Battlecat Squad here. Today I am playing Battle Cats again. So, so if you've not watched the previous video, go ahead and do that. And also, if you haven't, please subscribe. It'll help me reach my next goal of either 45 or 50. Now let us continue on with the video. So, right now I'm actually in chapter 2 for our first one. So if you don't know, I actually did some off-camera treasure hunting, and I successfully got every single treasure from chapter 1. And now I'm gonna begin with this one. So now let us begin. So one thing to notice is that the amount of cash in-game cash, I should say, that is required for each character is now much more different due to the and due to the chapter actually going up. Because once you go up a chapter, that means the value of your units go up, which actually makes it significantly harder. Okay, this round we were not lucky with our stuff, but luckily I hope we can this time. Once we speed through it, we will get it. So this time I'm planning on going a little more simple with just these 3 units. So I already explained all the basic mechanics if you completely ignore my previous warning on. But yeah, as I said, go watch the previous video, because I say because I talk all about the basic mechanics for this game, and it will really help you out if you were to watch it, if you're new to this game. And I will not actually talk about that unless I mention it once in a while, and yeah, I will. So we just got the treasure from there. So now, so here's the thing about these levels. So the fact that you see it like this with all the purple smoke and the purple title right here, yeah, that is because it's a zombie level. So if it becomes your first one after beating that following chapter, if it's your first time trying to clear the stages, ensure you have a zombie killing unit. So let us continue. Also, forgot to mention the overall look of the level is actually changed. So now to continue, yeah, it's very apparent that and also, yes, they do dig under and may come back. So this can get to the point where it can either be stressful or, yeah, I mean, sure, it can get to the point, but not too much to the point. So right now, we are midway through this level, and we have reached the enemy base. So we did not get the trophy. So we did not get the treasure from this level right here. So I'm gonna continue by doing it again. Now that there's not much to worry about this time, I will to play less because I know that these units cannot dig, so there will be not much to worry about. And there we go. We beat that level, so let's move on to our next level with no treasure, and that'd be Madagascar. So then well, basically, if any of you had ignored my warning, I kind of go over the basic stuff. But if I haven't gone over treasures, well, basically, treasures can give you boosts throughout any type of level in any different chapter too. So that means you could have like all sorts of different boosts in different chapters. So that one I think was just severely messed up due to me deploying a whole ton. And I think I'm supposed to deploy less. So I'm just gonna stick with that. Yeah, it seems decently backed up. Yeah, it seems to be going well. And there we go. There we go. Now, I said the treasures can help give boosts throughout levels. And I've currently unlocked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the many objects within the cat treasure list. And you need to complete levels in order to unlock more of these of the treasures. So next up we have a treasure from the Sahara. And then after that, Egypt, Turkey, Russia, and Greece. Then we have Spain for the next one, the UK. And then it continues on. So moving on, we head over to this one, which looks like it's in Algeria, which it is. Alright, so I may want to chill out now, because I just played a whole ton right there. Dang, I'm tired. So I might not do the full thing for this. So I may do an off-camera thing again, like last time. Cause yeah, I collected all the treasures in chapter 1, but I did the rest on chapter 1 that I didn't do in the previous video off camera, and I may end up doing the same here, unless I am able to get all the treasures within a short period of time. And that said, if you want to see a full 100% journey throughout all the levels, ensure to recommend it through the comments, and probably forward it to me to ensure that the recommendation makes it to me. And the one I'd probably find most interesting, I'm not sure if it'd work by that, or I'd probably do like a wheel. I would select to do for a video. I'd actually do the wheel before I'd even record the thing. Before I'd even start. I'd actually do the wheel after I start recording, in order to see who actually gets the recommendation to be picked. And yes, I will do it. But as long as I find it appropriate, I will put it up on there. Also, I may take a while to do this and get it set up. So yeah, and I may have just did the wrong thing again. Oh wait, no, I actually still got it. All right, next up, Turkey. We have just enough to go against Turkey in game. Yep, I made the same mistake as last time. I just spawned out a whole ton of them. Almost done. There we go. So far, so good. And we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 left. And that means I've completed, and that means I got dang it. So there's 48 levels. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna let's continue. Oh yeah. Luckily, I have a lot of those things. So whenever I'm doing such things like this, I will be able to restock on energy. So we're already closing in on the enemy base. And we're already, although the fact that there's a lot of enemies over there, we have a large stack. So that really gave us the advantage to win. Although we did not get the trophy and the treasure. So we have to do it all over again. But I'm actually gonna be leaving it at UK. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of them, including that one. So let's see if I can do better this time. So I'm only gonna deploy a small amount of units, and which are being those few right there. Alright, so and we're already closing in on the base. Just hopefully, I am hoping that we do not, and that we take care of the base before it starts to get heavily stacked up. And what I said came true. Although we still won. Alright. Moving on to the next one after that. So I'm gonna go a little faster with the speed up this time. So let's continue. So, alright. So we're doing, since this one's a bit shorter, should be a bit quicker than the other levels. Except that it has a whole ton of HP right there. I don't know, as much as the cat base I have right there. So, and it doesn't seem we're doing so well. Well, luckily I have a replacement to do just fine. So we're gonna clear out the enemies and basically just finish up the level. So normally expect me to be posting on the weekends or end of the week, like Fridays. Well, it's due to me being busy with high school, which I already mentioned in the previous video. So we're almost done, and we're almost to here. So we only have to complete 2 more levels and get the treasure from both of them. And then we will move on to the final few. So I'll actually probably do those off camera before as soon as we end the video. So this one is also kind of a short looking one. Although it's more on the middle. It's more in the middle for distance. We just got another trophy and treasure. I'll actually do an overview as soon as we're done with this one last level right here. I'll do a overall count and also a treasure checkup. So alright there. This one is a very long one. So basically all we gotta do is deploy a decent amount, and we'll see what happens. And I already got a feel that some tanky enemies would be coming right this way. So then Alright, so we have a huge stack of brainwashed axe cat. And also a decently large stack of gold brick cat. Like king ingot cat. Alright. So we just got those few levels done. So what we have left are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels for trophies left. And here's our current status on all of our things. So you can see that some stuff has just recently appeared. Some stuff may have still been there. But yeah. And that should conclude this video. Thank you for watching.